our GUI. On the left, we have our plot of our robot. On the right, we will have the exclusion map and all the points that we have plotted and are moving to. We've already set up the hardware, so all the servos are connected. Next thing we need to do is load the map. So here's our obstacle map. And one of the things we did was we added a little feature that will add boxes to the sides of each, so that way any jitter of the robot won't actually cross the boundary line. So this algorithm, all it does is just takes each point and adds however many boxes we specify in all directions. In this case, we specified 2. So another thing we have is down here is we have the 3 algorithms. So the first one is D star. Then we have the PRM algorithm with T-poly smoothing. And then the last one is with splines. So for this one, we're going to do T-poly. And we're going to hit find light. So the white dots here, those are the PRM points to get us from point A to point B. The red dots are the T-poly points that are doing the smoothing between each of the locations. We're going to move this because our DH parameters are a little messed up, so our robot's not actually in the right location. But here, didn't find any light, so it generates more points to go and look in. And you're going to see one of the issues we have with our third motor is that it doesn't actually have enough rotation range to see into this goal fully. So we're actually going to have to hold the light manually to get it to see it. We'll just put the light over here. And there it found the light. And on here, on our GUI, you can see it plotted a path back to the start, and the blue points are the return points. And so here it tells a little message saying that we found the light and have returned home, with this being the path that it took. We'll be testing our robot with the light or the gradient light search. Here we've already set up the robot hardware as well as the map. So the only thing we have to do is hit the light or the search with light gradient button, and then we can have the robot follow the light. So first we're going to have it move straight down, or in this case straight up on here. So it started here, and this is probably the goal location. So you can see it moving on here, and you can see it moving on the physical robot. And so with the next point, when it generates, or when it gets to it, we'll try and go another 5 millimeters down. And as you can see here, it generated the points and is now moving over to them. And then on the third one, we're going to move it okay, and here it's generated more points and is now moving to them. And for fun, we'll take the next one and we'll do it from over here to get it to move out of this box. And so there it found the light, now it's moving over. And we'll do it again, we'll make it move out of this box. Okay, now it's moving out of the box now. This next one, we're going to try to move it downwards, or in this case, up on the GUI here. And there it goes. And then we'll do one more, and we'll force it to find the light. Now, in order to force this to find the light, we'll just basically stick the LED down the tube. And there you can see that the green LED has gone, and so now it has finished.